Today we're taking the KUKIRIN V2 electric bike for a spin to see what it can do, because at 629 there should be a catch, right? Let's find out. Hey, my name is Martin and let's get started. First off, let's talk about the unboxing and assembly. Since this product comes from China, the first step in the right direction is understanding why this e-bike is so affordable. You have to assemble it partially yourself, for example. It's protected by enough foam during transport, and once out of the box we have to do the following. Fold the handlebar open and lock the steering wheel tightly. Then we have to insert the front wheel and make sure you lock it tightly too. The fourth step is to insert and set the saddle to the correct height. Screw in the pedals. And don't forget to add the mudguard and the front light. And last but not least, there is a throttle option, which is illegal here in Holland, so I will eventually remove it. Anyways, in total it took me around 10 to 15 minutes to get it up and running. Now let's talk about its practical design. This e-bike is foldable, which means it's not only easy to store but incredibly portable too. Perfect for those who love to travel with their e-bikes. Even in my small Nissan Micra, it fits. The battery is located in the seat post and therefore super easy to carry around. The 7.5 amp-hour battery takes nearly 6 hours to charge though. And good to know, there is a way to lock the battery with a key. With other e-bikes from China, I've quite often complained that there's no rear light, and KUKIRIN seem to have listened. They integrated this into the seat post, which looks very neat if you ask me. Speaking of sophistication, the V2, its body is crafted from a magnesium alloy. This not only makes it incredibly lightweight, but also durable. A winning combination for any rider, and on top of that I really like the color combo. Moreover, the paint job looks great and there's no rattling or any other sounds while riding. Whether you're navigating the city streets or conquering steep hills on a weekend adventure, this bike got the gears to handle it all. KUKIRIN added the Shimano 7-speed drivetrain, a pretty entry-level component that can handle standard road conditions perfectly. Along with the 250-watt motor and the battery as mentioned before, you get up to 30 kilometers out of a single charge. On paper. Of course, factors like terrain, tire pressure and rider weight will influence this, but the V2 held up positively, resulting in around 22 kilometers with my riding conditions in the fully electric mode and almost 40 kilometers with the assist mode. Both modes will get you up to 25 kilometers per hour quickly, and small hills or bridges are no problem at all. And interestingly, if you run out of juice, you can still pedal your way to your destination. When it comes to tires, the V2 doesn't disappoint. Those 20-inch pneumatic rubber tires with their unique tread design not only grip the road, but also provide a smooth and comfortable ride. They offer excellent traction and shock absorption, providing a smooth ride on all terrains. Even speed bumps intended for cars are no problem at all, despite the lack of suspension. And in terms of safety, it's equipped with many bells and whistles. From the reflectors on the seat post, pedals, the steering wheel and in between the spokes, to a strong LED headlight. The saddle is comfy and the handlebars provide enough grip. Even the dual disc brakes are super responsive too. With my standard stopping test, the bike came to a full stop at max speed, just under 4 meters, which is really good considering the 20-inch tires. So far, there haven't been any significant issues or major reasons why this bike should be priced at 629. The main factors I can think of include its Chinese origins, its smaller size compared to regular bikes, the use of entry-level components, and the absence of some local after-sales support or wide availability of replacement parts online. They've omitted some features, such as suspension, and it's worth noting that the battery, while not the largest, remains one of the most significant cost factors for an e-bike. And yet, I believe it still may be a good option for someone. With its practical design, safety features and impressive specs, it's an easy ride that will bring you from A to B. Because of its entry-level components, it's super easy to fix something yourself most likely. If you're into smaller e-bikes, then go take a look at this video. It's with a decent size, still foldable, but with a significant range upgrade. Now go check it out because we've reached the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below if you have some comments or questions. And else, please subscribe so that I see you in the next one.